Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Retrocam app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Retrocam is a vintage-style camera app designed to give your photos a nostalgic, analog film look. It comes loaded with retro filters, grain effects, date stamps, light leaks, and classic camera overlays to mimic old-school film aesthetics. The app's interface is clean and easy to navigate, with real-time previews and manual controls that let users fine-tune their shots before capturing or editing. Now let's talk about how it actually performs. Users appreciate the app's ability to recreate authentic vintage vibes without needing post-editing in other apps. The filters are well made, especially for 90s and film roll lovers. Performance is generally smooth, and exporting images is fast and hassle-free. Many users love how it elevates their casual photography with just a tap. That said, it's not without flaws. Some features are locked behind a paywall, including high-resolution exports and premium filters. A few users reported occasional glitches or ads disrupting their workflow. Others mentioned that while the effects are great, there's limited flexibility in customization unless you go for the paid version. If you've been enjoying this video so far, don't forget to drop a like. It helps a lot. In summary, Retrocam is a great pick if you're into vintage photography and want to give your photos a nostalgic, timeless touch. It's simple, stylish, and delivers what it promises. Just be aware of the limitations in the free version if you're looking for more control and export quality. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.